Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your NerdWallet account not working. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NerdWallet support. In the search results, you'll see the first link of NerdWallet support page. Tap on it. It'll directly take you to the support page of NerdWallet. Over here, you can explore through different topics and see if it helps you with your problems. You can choose the category of the issues that you are facing. You can even check out these frequently asked questions. It might have answers to your questions sometime. If all this doesn't help, you can even submit your customized question. Here you can see submit a question option. Tap on it. You can submit a request from here. Tap on this drop down list and select the category of your problem. You can mention why your NerdWallet is not working and what kind of problems or issues that you are facing. After that, you'll be prompted to this page where you can mention your email address, your subject of request, your login issues. You can provide a description of the problems that you are facing. If you have any screenshots or attachments, you can attach it over here. And once you're done, you can tap on the submit button and your query will be submitted to the support center of NerdWallet. They will review your problems and come up with a response. So that's it. That's how you can fix your NerdWallet account not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.